Okay, if you care to see, this is 2 hours later. It has never been boiled, not cooked, so the heat is very slow. This is a natural exchange of moisture. The water, the moisture of the orange is absorbed by the sugar, and now it becomes transparent, and we can see the pot is all clean, and I collected. This is the only thing left from the pot. 2 tiny salsa cup of sugar, and they are extremely concentrated and extremely flavorful. You just dip a little bit of it. You cannot eat it and drink it. I think it's too strong. Anyway, this is my natural orange peel, candied orange peel, and I will decide how I do it further with it. But up to now, I am happy, and it is easier than I expected. I didn't follow any recipe. I was just thinking maybe this works, and it works. I think it works out. Thank you. Enjoy. Oh, I will send to you. Any of you interested, send me